Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you are a returning member, hi guys. Thank you guys for returning and thank you for all your support. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so if you can, and I appreciate it. I thank you guys very much. I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you today. Simple, easy Dollar Tree DIY. So what I'm going to use is this 3-pack shot glasses that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. You can also get the Podge at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use glitter and it will look something like this when I'm done. This is one that I already have, and I'm going to do this one. It's a gift. This could be just an easy little gift for someone to cheer them up during this time. Those that maybe drink, maybe they need it for, they can use it for other stuff. Don't have to always be liquor. But if you just want to decorate something, you could do this. So these are the items that I have. Like I said, Mod Podge. I'm gonna mark this here. I've got my tape. I also have brushes. These are from the Dollar Tree. I have my rubbing alcohol that I will use to clean. And this is what I'm going to pour my Mod Podge into. And like I said, this was only $1. And if you have some glitter, I am going to try and put some stars on it. Not sure if that will work, but it's the first time I'm going to try the stars because this one just glitter. And I'm using the Mod Podge way. And I don't think this one is just Mod Podge, but the other one I made. These are gifts, so because these are gifts, I am going to maybe put the epoxy over it, but I'm not sure yet. But you can still use it, like they're not coming off after. You could do this and leave it for a lot, you know, as long as you don't submerge it in water, like put it in the sink in the water like this and leave it, you'll be fine. If you just hand wash, when you're finished with it, hand wash, pat dry with your little paper towel, and it's all good. It stays. But if you want it to be if you want it to be going in your dishwasher or stuff like that, you could use epoxy and just cover that area. All right, so let's get started. Oh, the car's outside. Oh, let's see what glitter I'm gonna use today. Yeah, I think I'll use this one. This one is very fine. It's beautiful. Yeah, so let's do the light blue. Let's get started, guys. I am going to just stop babbling, do this, play you guys some music while you watch, and thank you all again for coming back to my channel and supporting. Have a great rest of your day.